Okay, this is final spin part 2 now. I know this is final spin part 2 now. I know this is part 2 final spin now and 2 anyway. This is part 2 final spin now and 2 anyway. Come on, just come on to final spin for 1,000 up anyway. For 1,000 up in the spin game. Come on to. Just come on to part 2 final spin now and 2 anyway. For the Hoover Vision dynamic anyway. This machine is way struggling to spin it is, you know, it's just struggling to spin it is. This machine is struggling to spin it is, it's struggling to spin it is, it's over. This machine will cut out in a second. This machine will actually cut out the spin, it will. I'm afraid to say this machine will just cut out as how it will. Oh, maybe that didn't spin off, see. Oh. I've never seen this machine will ever spin like that, you know. Might have to upload on Wash Kino, but might have to upload on Wash Kino anyway. Maybe that just failed to spin, that just ever failed to spin, that just failed, the spin just failed. This, I think maybe because the spin just failed on that anyway. I might not film that anyway, but I think it's just a quick video of this Hoover, no, just only a quick video of it anyway. Well, I might have to upload it on Washkin, I might have to upload that one on Washkin anyway. I don't think I won't be able to film this on a hopping lover, I don't think. That just probably cut up the spin. I've never seen this machine will cut up the spin like that. I've never seen this machine just cut up the spin like that. I think that's why it's just got a void display that's got anyway. Maybe that's got a void display that's got a faulty delay that's got, as you can tell, this machine's got a faulty delay that's got anyway. I think my Blommer WFN 94820 cast that anyway has the void display anyway. I think it may be because of that blanket it just didn't spin, I think. I didn't know the weight because I think it's probably the loads, I think. It must be because of the load, I think. Well, we'll have to check that off, so we're going to have to check it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you cool there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
thought you were in a crumpet.
Well, that seems to be soaking wet, this machine. That's going to have to re-spin off. See, this is going to have to re-spin, I think. I'm not happy that this machine just ever failed to spin like that. God. Might have to leave it for my auntie anyway. I think if that didn't spin properly, I don't think. That just never spin anyway. So the Hoover dryer's on the cool down anyway. Yeah, it's obviously on the cool down, this Hoover. No, the Hoover dryer's on the cool down anyway. With the colours load anyway. As you can tell, that one's obviously finished as well. This dryer's really already finished already anyway. Especially new kitchen appliances I've only got here. That's the Becca double oven. That's my auntie's definitely got a Becca double oven there. And also she's also got a Bosch dishwasher over there as well. This is the Bosch Simlon dishwasher she's got over there as well. The Bosch Simlon dishwasher she's got over there. I think that's all these new kitchen appliances she's got there anyway. But that dryer's already finished anyway. But this one is going to need to spin anyway. That one's going to spin anyway. But anyway. But this is going to be put on the spin 300 level anyway. Well, I'll just leave it off anyway. But I think because there's only a bit of a blanket that's in there anyway. It did spin for one go. It did spin one go obviously. But it seems to be still wet. It seems to be soaking. It does anyway. This is going to have to spin obviously. This is going to put on the spin level anyway. So yeah, hopefully I might do more washing of that soon with the Hoover anyway. With the Hoover Vision Dynamic anyway. After, because this is basically new kitchen appliances they've got anyway. Yep. So you might have to pause the video anyway. But unfortunately, this machine is going to have to spin obviously. But it's because it's not a very best machine really. Because it's not best looking machine. It's not anyway. I think it's not best looking machine anyway. Yep. So okay, just bye.